In the vibrant world of synesthesia, senses intertwine in extraordinary ways. Imagine hearing a symphony and seeing bursts of color with each note. This is the reality for those with synesthesia, a neurological condition where stimulation of one sensory pathway leads to automatic involuntary experiences in a second sensory pathway. One of the most common forms is grapheme-color synesthesia, where letters or numbers are perceived as inherently colored. For instance, the letter A might always appear red, while B is blue. Another fascinating type is Chromesthesia, where sounds, such as music, trigger the visualization of colors and shapes. Research suggests that synesthesia affects about 4% of the population and is more prevalent among artists, musicians, and writers, possibly enhancing creativity. While the exact cause remains a mystery, studies indicate it may be linked to increased connectivity between sensory regions in the brain. Ultimately, synesthesia offers a unique window into the human brain's potential, transforming everyday experiences into a kaleidoscope of sensory wonder.